Good morning. This is day 3 after my procedure. I slept better last night, much more kind of, I feel more rested today. I feel like my swelling is coming down. Everything is to be expected. I'm not anxious about my final results. I feel that I've just got to be patient and everything is to be expected. My neck is still quite tight. But I asked for a snap jawline, and so I know that the sutures are there to support that, and I've just got to be patient and wait for the inflammation to go down. So all in all, feeling good, feeling positive and happy with how it's all going. The sun is shining and it's a lovely day, and I've got my sunglasses on. It's still day 3, but it occurred to me that I hadn't talked about the sedation during the procedure. And I just wanted to say I was really happy that I had the opportunity to have sedation rather than general anaesthetic. It went incredibly smoothly. I felt absolutely nothing. I went into a deep sleep and I believe I was snoring all the way through the procedure, which is very embarrassing. The recovery was so quick. You come round, you don't feel sick, you don't feel ill, you really do feel quite wakeful and, good. And that's certainly aiding in recovery in general. So if you're concerned about sedation or twilight sedation, don't be. Dr. Botha, who works for Dr. Julian De Silva, was absolutely excellent. He gave very clear instructions on how it would go and what to expect, and was very kind and compassionate, I would say, in the way he dealt with my case, and I'm sure he'd be the same with everybody else. So just to say, don't be nervous of sedation. It's a really wonderful kind of improvement, I think, and nothing to be concerned about. It's to be commended. Thank you.